Hi, Jon Chumley here, Head of Development at Beck Technology. Lots of companies like to tell you that they care about their customers, that they're focused on their customers' needs, and everybody likes to talk the talk. I'm proud to say at Beck Technology, we actually walk the walk. We were having a regularly scheduled service call with Gilbane Building Company, a large global general contractor. They've been a customer of ours since about 2018. They know how to use DESTINI Estimator. They are experts in using DESTINI Estimator. Just during the call, it was kind of mentioned that one of their estimators was having trouble using our 2D takeoff software. You see, this estimator has physical limitations in using their hands and being able to do even what we considered simple things like panning in our 2D takeoff was very difficult and very time consuming. Back then, you actually had to hold the control key while you were using your mouse to pan around the screen, and this individual did not have the ability to use both hands in order to do these things. So it was brought to our attention in development that, hey, we have a user that's unable to use our system, and this really kind of hit us that we had a system that someone with physical limitations could not actually use our product successfully and be able to do their job. We really broke our processes in order to solve this problem. Normally something like this comes up, we spend some time going through and designing out an implementation, working with the various teams to come up with the right solution. And we realized we didn't have time to really go through our full process. We actually tapped the team to be able to go meet directly with this user, talk with them about things that would be acceptable, work through some solutions that would actually help them do their job quicker and easier. One of our software engineers met with them, and Mario came back and was explaining that, hey, we need to get rid of having to use two hands to do these things. There were also, some things where being able to even hit the escape key to get out of sketching mode were an issue. So it kind of expanded a little bit just from the panning. But we were, very focused on trying to come up with a solution for this user. So Mario set off, started working on that, was meeting regularly with this user to show them, the progress that was being made. We would actually give them, Mario would build a local copy of code and give it to them to run tests and make sure that things were working right. Throughout this process, working directly with our user, we were able to actually get them a new production build that they could roll out, specifically first targeting this user, but then they rolled out that version to the rest of the company that allowed panning to be able to be done with just the mouse. Did not need the second hand for that. The ability to have a toolbar button to be able to click to get out of sketch mode and go into select mode, and be able to make them much more productive. Of course, the user was very grateful for now being able to do this without having to jump through so many hoops. And it just really makes you feel good. It kind of gives you some of those warm tinglies inside to know that, yeah, we might have broken a few rules in our process on how we did this, but at the end of the day, we were able to enable this user to use our product satisfactorily and be able to do their job. And that's what it's all about. It's about caring for our customers and being able to have those those warm feelings when you're able to actually solve a problem and make somebody's life better.